In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage workspace collaborators in Trello. Whether you're managing a team project, coordinating tasks, or simply keeping your workspace organized, understanding who has access to your Trello workspace is crucial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to review your collaborators, check their roles, and ensure your workspace is secure and up to date. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to www.trell.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner and click the Login button. From here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can select a single sign-on option, such as signing in with Google or Microsoft if those are available to you. After entering your credentials, type in your password and click Login to proceed. If Trello has two-factor authentication enabled for your account, you'll need to complete that step before gaining access. Simply follow the instructions provided for the authentication process, and once you're verified, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Now that you're signed in, locate your Trello workspace. You can find it in the left-hand sidebar or near the top of the page, depending on your layout. Once you spot the workspace you're using, click its name to open the drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Members. Here, you'll see a section called Workspace Members. Clicking this will allow you to view a complete list of everyone who has access to your workspace. This includes both admins, who have advanced permissions, and standard members, who have more limited roles. Take a moment to review this list carefully to confirm who currently has access and to understand the specific roles assigned to each person. Next, click on the Guests option. Guests are individuals who don't have full access to the workspace, but are allowed to collaborate on specific boards. Reviewing this list is important to ensure that any external access is intentional and aligns with your team's policies. After that, click on Join Requests to check for any pending requests from people who want to join your workspace. This is where you can monitor and confirm that any incoming requests are for the correct workspace and are from people who should have access. While reviewing these sections, it's a good idea to check for any inactive accounts or duplicate profiles. This helps keep your workspace clean and free of unnecessary clutter. Additionally, take this opportunity to verify that external guests only have access to the specific boards they need to work on. Finally, double-check that each team member's role reflects their current responsibilities. Admins should have the appropriate level of control, and standard members should have access suited to their tasks. Maintaining an organized and tidy membership list not only protects sensitive work, but can also help you reduce unnecessary licensing costs. And there you have it. Now you know how to view and manage workspace collaborators in Trello, keeping your team efficient and secure. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.